How's it going, everybody? Jacob Schultz here, and in this video I'll be sharing with you a method that I've previously used that makes me $100 a day using FIVERR.com. Now we're actually going to be cross-referencing websites. We're going to be using FIVERR.com and SEOclerks.com. Okay, so both of these websites are individuals that offer their services online in exchange for money. So what we do is straight up. It's very simple, very straight to the point. Find a service on SEO Clerks, and usually you want to find it for cheaper, so like $1 or $2. You can even do $5 because on Fiverr you can start your services a little higher, like 10, 15, 20, and so on. So you find any service on here. You can think of like a logo creation. SEO sells really good on Fiverr. SEO is search engine optimization, and people pay for SEO services. So real quick, we'll search for an SEO service. I like to sort by the price, like $1. Or likes, so I know it has good reviews. So right here, bookmark your link to 100. You don't exactly need to know what this means. All we know is that this is a service that's selling for $1 that's really popular. So bookmark your link to 100 unique social bookmarking sites for $1. Excellent. So what we do is duplicate this service. Okay, we go on Fiverr and we're gonna sell this service. Okay. Let me just look right now. Bookmark 100. Let me see if anybody's selling something similar to this. Okay, yeah, right here. I'll create 100. See, it's same exact picture. So some guy is literally doing a copy and paste with this, selling 100 backlinks for $5, which you're buying off of this site. It could be the same seller, Expert Steam. No, this person is just exactly doing this method. So you can create. This is super scalable. You can create as many listings as you want. The whole process is this. Duplicate from SEO Clerks onto Fiverr, sell it as your own service. When someone buys your service on Fiverr, what you do is buy the service on SEO Clerks. Once the service is delivered to you on SEO Clerks, you deliver it to the person on Fiverr. So all you're doing is copying and pasting info from different sites, and you can scale this to like absolutely crazy numbers. Okay? So I would recommend starting with SEO. SEO is a good category to go into, but like I said, you could do logos, a whole bunch of stuff, things with YouTube, anything graphic design related. But just play around with the site, look around. Services for $1, sell it for 10. That's it. If you sell one service a day, let's even say if you're making $4 a service. Okay, if you're making $4 profit and you're selling one a day, that's $120 extra a month for you not doing anything. You're literally copying and pasting. What I like about this method, it really takes like no startup capital at all, and you can use this to just scale, and then you can use the money you earn from this into your other businesses. That's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the other videos.